In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create school projects in Canva. If you've ever had to put together a school presentation, research poster, or class project, you already know how frustrating it can be when everything looks cluttered, uneven, or hard to read. The good news is that Canva makes the process much easier, and you don't need advanced design experience to make your work look clean and professional. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up your project properly, choose the right layout, organize your content clearly, and export it in high quality. To get started, open Canva and go to the home page. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Presentation. Then choose the standard presentation format with a 16 by 9 layout at 1920 by 1080 pixels. This gives you a high-resolution canvas that works well for classroom screens and helps keep your text and images sharp. Starting with the right size is important because it prevents blurry graphics and awkward cropping later on. Once your blank project opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on your alignment tools. At the top of the screen, click File, then go to View Settings. From there, enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. These settings create visible boundaries on your page so you can keep your content safely inside the presentation area. This is especially helpful for titles, charts, and important details that should never sit too close to the edge. Now it's time to choose a template. On the left side of the screen, click the Design or Templates tab. In the search bar, type something related to your assignment like science infographic report, history timeline presentation, or literature poster. Browse through the available designs and choose one that matches your topic and style. If the template includes multiple pages and fits your project well, click Apply All Pages. This gives your project a consistent look from beginning to end, which makes it feel more polished. After that, start customizing the text and visual structure. Click into a headline text box, replace the placeholder text, and write a short, clear title. Use easy-to-read fonts like Montserrat Bold or Inter if needed. Keep supporting text smaller and neatly organized underneath the main heading. You can also open the Elements tab and add simple shapes or educational graphics to group related information. This helps your teacher follow your ideas more easily and makes the project easier to scan. Before you finish, review every page carefully. Make sure all placeholder text is gone, images look sharp, and nothing crosses the margin guides. Then click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. Select PDF Print for the best quality, especially if you plan to print it, or choose Microsoft PowerPoint if you need to present it live. Finally, click Download to save your completed project. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.